What if I told you that you don't need a lot of money from your own personal account? Let's figure it out, like $1,000 or $10,000 or $100,000, so that you can participate or make good money in the Forex market. Now, this mostly will apply for somebody who is skilled in the Forex market, but they complain that they lack capital. Now, that is where Forex prop firms come in. So in this particular video, I will be introducing what is a prop firm company and what it does, the kind of accounts and the business model that they offer, and how you are set to benefit from it if you are a skilled Forex trader but lack capital. Now, what is a prop firm? A prop firm basically means a company that gives you money to trade, and once you trade the money, you can split up the capital. So it therefore means that they are giving you funding, or rather capital, to trade or to participate in the Forex market. And once you make any profits, you can be able to co-share between you and the prop firm company. So in most cases, the traditional way of trading, most people will go and identify a broker, sign up for their account, verify with the KYC, and they will deposit their $30, $40, $50, $1,000 into their brokerage account, and so that they can be able to access, or rather participate in the Forex market. Now, using the prop firm model way, you don't need a big amount of money. So you are basically paying your small amount of money to access a huge capital, or rather a bigger trading account. So figure it out this way. So you have $50, you can be able to purchase a what? $1,000, 5,000, or whichever size of the account that you like to purchase. Now, in the prop firm space, most prop firms have accounts ranging from $5,000, costing as low as $35, $30, $40, $50, to also big accounts amounting to 300,000 or 400,000 USD dollars. Now, one of the biggest challenge when it comes to skilled traders is how to secure trading capital in their Forex trading career. Now, I want to introduce you to WeMasterTrade.com, a prop firm that is ready to empower you in your trading career journey. Now, with WeMasterTrade.com, you can be able to scale up your trading career with either instant or challenge accounts. And the beauty about WeMasterTrade.com is that with as low as $35, you can be able to secure an account for yourself that fits your budget. Now, using the code on this screen and using the link on the description, you can get yourself 30% exclusive to all members in my community. Go out there and secure your trading account with WeMasterTrade.com. Now, there are some things that you need to know about prop trading even before you participate or buy your next prop account. Now, the first thing is that there are common rules that usually apply in the prop firm trading that you need to know before you buy your next Forex prop account. Now, the first rule that you need to know is the daily drawdown. So daily drawdown basically means the maximum amount of money that you're not supposed to lose in a day. So in most prop accounts, they will cap it at 5%. Therefore, it means that if you're trading a $10,000 prop firm account, then your maximum daily drawdown is capped at 5%, means that you're not supposed to lose more than $500. Now, there is also another rule that is mostly used, which is the maximum drawdown. So maximum drawdown basically means that is the maximum overall amount of money that you're not supposed to lose in that prop trading account. So in most cases, it's capped at 10% for most prop firm companies. So 10% of if you're trading a $10,000 account and the maximum drawdown is 10%, therefore it means that you're not supposed to lose more than $1,000. So if you're risking 1% for every particular trade, if you lose 10 consecutive trades, then it means that you've breached the rule, and therefore your account will be terminated. Now, another rule that you need to know is probably news trading, to do with news trading, that you're not supposed to trade during the news, especially once you are funded the prop account. Now, another rule that you're supposed to know is the consistency rule. Now, this rule usually limits people who are gamblers, or rather have a gambling habit in the Forex market. Now, it says that basically your daily gains from your gains from one day should not exceed probably a certain percentage of profit. So let's say you might have maybe 20% consistency rule. It therefore means that one day gains should not exceed 20% of your overall profits. Now, also we have also a risk rule, which also applies in most prop firm accounts or companies. It means that there is a maximum percentage that you need to that you're not supposed to go beyond, especially when you're taking any particular trade. So in most prop firms nowadays, it's between 2% to 3%. Therefore means that if you take a single trade with a risk percent of 4%, then it means you've breached that risk rule. Now, there are different packages of prop firm accounts depending on the company that you select. Now, in most prop accounts, the most common package is the two-phase challenge accounts. So you usually go from one phase, which is the phase one, then you also go to the phase 2. So phase 1, you must have to hit the target that is specified by their rules and conditions. Having met all the conditions, then you can be able to go to the second phase. And once you prove now that you are able to trade in the second phase, then now you go to the funded stage. And also, there are also other PropFirm packages which come with one phase only, or even some other come with what? 3 phases. So it depends. So also another common package.
Have you heard all the Forex hype online? Flashy cars, false profits? Here, we are not about the hype. We are about the skill. Our training is real, practical, and beginner-friendly. We will train you how to analyze the market, risk management, and also how to grow your account step by step. You can visit us at Spar Mall, 2nd floor, S47, or give us a call on our number, which is in all our social media platforms, to book your slot and start your journey to financial freedom.
In most prop accounts is also the instant accounts. So this one is one of the most recent package that has seen itself in the corridors of the PropFirm trading accounts. Means that you don't have to go through the phases of challenges. You get instant funding. Once you are able to meet the specific rules, then you are able to also withdraw your capital. Now let's look at some of the most popular PropFirms in the trading space. Now the first and one of the most popular PropFirms that we have in the space is FTMO. So FTMO is known for its experience in the space. Is one of the first initial PropFirm to be launched, and at the same time very good in terms of their trading conditions. Now we also have Fivers, we have Funded Next, we also have Bot Funded, and we also have WeMasterTrade.com. So WeMasterTrade.com actually is one of our official partners for this particular video. And if you are interested in purchasing your first PropFirm account, WeMasterTrade has prices as low as $35 for challenge accounts, or rather the challenge different packages, or rather challenge accounts that you may want to purchase. Now, using the link on the description, you can be able to purchase your account at a discount of 30%, or you can also use the code that is running on this particular screen. Now, before you buy your next PropFirm account, there are things that you need to have in place as a trader. Now, the first thing that you need to have is a strategy. Do you have a strategy that detects how you enter, how you exit the market, or basically how you approach each and every trade? The second thing is that you need to also understand proper risk management. Now, one thing that I have to mention is that prop trading is not for gamblers. It is for traders who have tested their strategies. They have their risk management at their finger points, and also ready to execute with consistency. And finally, you also have to have proper understanding of market psychology. So you need to be able to hold back your fears. You need to overcome your greed over trading and such. So you should be a very calm and composed trader the moment you are going to buy your first prop challenge. Now, there are some advantages of using PropFirm accounts. So somebody may ask, why should I ditch funding my broker account, instead go for a funded, or rather for a prop challenge account? Now, one thing is that especially in the African context, there is, let's say, and be honest, that there is limited capital. Therefore, it means that most traders will trade between $50, $100, na ikienda sana maybe $300, $500, of course, if you are starting out in the Forex market. Now, you, with the prop challenges, or rather the PropFirm trading space, you are able to skip this phase, because using maybe probably $100, $200, you can be able to scale up your capital to, let's say, bigger amounts like 50,000 prop accounts. That also comes with with the rules that we have already mentioned. Now, that means that you are able to scale up real fast, in terms of capital, which also can enable you grow very fast as a trader. Now, with that being said, I hope that this video has given you value in terms of understanding what is prop trading, the most common rules that we also have in the PropFirm trading space. Also, I have given you a list of some of the most common, or rather good prop trading companies that you can be able to start trading with after watching this particular video. Now, in case you learned something from this video, please let me know down on the comment section. And also, if you have been doing prop trading, let me know which company have you been trading with and what is the experience so far. Until next time, see you on the next one.